Hey everybody, welcome back, and I am back with the third rescue box from ThredUp. I will leave the first two boxes that I did down below and then also somewhere up here. I will try to put them. We have this box, 3 more boxes, and then 2 still coming to get through. The first 2 that I did, the first one was really good. We had Anthropologie, we had Topshop. The second box, not so much. We really didn't have anything that I was really excited about in there. So, for those of you that don't know, I am a part-time reseller on the Poshmark app. You can find me there at Reckless Beauty. Also, I will leave it down below, the link, so you can go check out my closet. So, here we go. And this is the first box that you're coming to. I have 2 other ones, so I'm not going to give the whole spiel every time I do one of these, but these are the rescue boxes. I did not get any DIY boxes because nobody has time. And then here goes my Dollar Tree blade. Awesome. Okay. Actually, I could probably just leave this right here. Alright. Here we go. This was the Scarves box. So, this box was only $10 and you get 12 scarves. Now, I don't have any scarves in my Poshmark closet currently other than some winter scarves that are boutique items. No like fashion scarves. So I did want to, I don't know, kind of mix it up a little bit, and it was only $10. So, and scarves are like one of those things that people like all different types of patterns. So we're going to see what we have. Like, I'm not expecting name brand scarves because what's a name brand scarf? So let's see what we've got. This is going to be like a whole bunch of unbranded stuff because what are we doing? Alright, so this one is unbranded. Like I said in my last video, I don't ever list unbranded things because I feel like it's hard for people to find. Maybe not so much on like a sweater. If I just put like that, the sweater that I got in the last box had no label in it, but it was blue and gray. So if I said, you know, blue and gray sweater, I don't know how many people will see that because I've never done anything unbranded. So this one is unbranded. How would you even list? I mean, I know it's an infinity scarf, but how would you even list this? I kind of like it though. It's nice. It's brown, kind of like a tie-dye. Like a tie-dye situation? I don't know. That's kind of cute. Free scarf with purchase? Probably. Let's see. This one's new with tags. Cash Fab? Not a clue. Made in Kashmir. Cash Fab. I don't have any idea. It says made in India. Merino wool. Mulberry silk. I don't know. But see, this is the perfect type of scarf to sell though. It's a solid color. It's, you know. Oops. I wanted to see how big this was. Oh wow, and it's new with tags, so I like this color. It's like a bright blue color. Probably should have folded it up a little bit. They did such a nice job in like folding them up. Ooh, here we go. What's this? Oh, we might have another one. This one's pretty. It's like it's definitely a bright pink. And it has like a flower. I don't know if you're able to see it. Oh, like a paisley print maybe? With some fringe. Got some fringe on there. This one doesn't have any tags, but this is a nice big scarf. Yeah, I'm a sucker for a good, oh god, I'm stuck in it, like a good shawl type scarf. Okay. Ooh, this one is weird. Looks like an accordion. We're gonna be all unbranded, I think. So this one has, I wish there was tags so I knew what the material is for when I list it, you know? This one has like a snake skin print. This is definitely something I would put like on a handbag. You know, like wrap on your handbag, like if you have a Louis, you want to throw your snakeskin accordion scarf on it. What is this? This is heavy. What the heck? Let's see. Ooh, this one is nice. This one is blue, and then it runs black just on the end, so there's no fringe or anything. And this is another gigantic scarf. That's kind of nice. Again, no tag, so I don't know what the material is. Ooh, this is heavy. Bridge to Bali. Okay, this you could definitely wear as a skirt. This definitely looks perfect for like a swim cover up. Definitely. So that one does have a tag on it, but it said it was rayon, so what do we got here? Oh, we got new with tags. Katara, New York. Not familiar with that, but it is new with tags. It's just regular polyester. This is really pretty though. It's more narrow than. And then here is the print. That's really pretty. I like that one. Okay. And what is this? This one is not. This one is soft. We got a plaid scarf. I like this color combo. Blue and purple. Okay. Not bad. Oh, we got another. Oh, I thought it was gonna be another accordion scarf. This is. Let's see. Splendid. So this one is printed on the side. It has like the accordion, and then this side it's just regular fabric, and it is a regular scarf, I would say, for probably winter or spring, with a leopard print. What do we get? We have another pink scarf. Again, no tags, so I don't know what the material is. But this one is just a solid color pink scarf, not like the other one that had the print on it. And we got another infinity scarf. This one doesn't have a name brand, but it just says polyester. This is cute. This one is a black and white chevron print infinity scarf. This one I will definitely list, because I feel like this one would go really fast. And, ugh, this one feels so, yeah, I don't even like the way it feels. What is this? Let's see. Horse. Wind Horse. This feels crazy. It's like a really big infinity scarf. It's like a dark purple. But it feels really weird. How would you even wear this? I don't even know. Oh, I don't know. Okay, so maybe getting a ThredUp scarf box was not my brightest moment. I don't know what I was expecting. I was expecting scarves, like probably like this, maybe from like Loft or Express or Gap, places that I see that sell scarf sets all the time. This one is dirty. I don't even know what that is to be able to wash it. So I don't know. I would probably just list this one with the newest tags. Probably this one as like a bathing suit cover up. I do like this one, so I would probably put that one up. Probably that one, because you can, I mean, like I said, that one I could definitely see someone putting on their handbag. And that's probably it, to be honest. Yeah, so that was the 12 scarves for $10. So if I list like 3 of them and sell them, I could definitely make my $10 back, but then I'm just stuck with a whole bunch of scarves that I don't know what to do with. I don't know. I used to put scarves in my hair all the time, so maybe I'll just wash them and then like wear them in my hair. So that is the third box for you. Let me know what you think about the scarf box down below. If any of the scarves fit in your wardrobe, tickle your fancy, you want one, let me know. I will create a Poshmark listing just for you so that you can purchase it. If you like more than one, I will bundle them up for you. Definitely let me know. Probably won't get another scarf box. Didn't really think that one through. So that was number 3. We got 3 more to go and 2 more coming. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Don't forget to ring that bell so you know the next time I upload a rescue box from ThredUp video. Don't forget to check out my Poshmark closet, and see you on the next one.